Hello, for today's tech tip video, I'm going to talk about cloud computing and the use of cloud computers. Now, for many years, we've heard the trend of cloud computing and there's no need to have an on-premise server and everything can be done in the cloud. But what happens is there are some reasons to still use an on-premise server. And specifically, that is dependent on the workload. Now, if you are somebody that just has Word documents and a few Excel spreadsheets and simple items, that's very easy to load and work in the cloud, and there's no real delays in the workload. The issue that you have is maybe a graphic artist or an engineer or anybody that has large files or video files, or somebody that's doing video editing. In those situations, there is likely a good case scenario to have an on-premise server or at least some on-premise storage. And the difference in this can really be when it comes down to just the time to access a file. If you're doing a large design file and that file is stored in the cloud, the designer might spend 15 minutes waiting for that file to load on their computer before they can begin work. And at the end of the day, same thing to save the file. So that's not a great use case scenario for cloud computing. Examples like this are the reasons you want to talk to us or somebody about your workload before you move everything to the cloud. Additionally, there's other scenarios too. So as we talked about graphics files, those files are large and they take up space. Well, Microsoft is happy to sell you more space, or same thing with AWS, sell you more space when you need it. And all of a sudden, you have files that are huge. You have a lot of space consumed, and something that you got into for a few $100s a month is now a few $1,000s a month, and it's just spiraling out of control. You want to really have a control of what your spend is and know what you have. You can bring that workload up on a local premise-based server. Hopefully this is helpful, and if you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.